Hi, my name is Kathy. Welcome to the Junk Shack, baby. In today's video, we are going to make pork carnitas. As usual, I have no exact measurements for this recipe. I will list what I kind of guesstimate it is in the bottom in the description. If you do give this a try, please leave a comment below and let me know what you thought. Thanks a bunch. Probably 2 tablespoons of olive oil or any oil of your choice. Again, I'm not exactly sure. I'm going to say a teaspoon of chili powder. Probably half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Probably a teaspoon of cumin. And I take 2 bay leaves and break them. We like garlic around here. We're going to put a big spoonful. That's a tablespoon. I'm going to take the 2 oranges. Wash them pretty good because I do cook the orange right in there. Squeeze the juice in. From both of them. Oh, get all over my arm. Once I get the juice in, I cut them in half. And cook them right in there with the meat. Threw the orange pieces in and quartered an onion, mixed it all up. Now we're going to take this big old pork roast, and hubby is going to slice it into 1.5 to 2 inch pieces for me. The roast was extra large, so we only cut up half of it, and I froze the other half. Okay, it's all mixed up pretty good. It'll cook down a whole lot. Just try to get all of the oil and everything spread out, and it'll all cook together and be so yummy. $300 for about 3 or 4 hours. I'll check it in 3 hours. We pull the meat out of the pan with the orange slices and the grease that it makes, and put it in a glass pan and cover it with onions. Then put it in the oven under broil for about 10 minutes and stir it halfway through to get everything nice and crispy. Here we are with the first stir. It's probably been 5 or 6 minutes under broil in the oven. Look at that beautifulness. And now back to broil for probably 4 or 5 minutes until crispy. I really like my tortilla skins crispy. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate that. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so now. And if you liked the video, please share it with a friend.